Welcome. I am so happy that you are here today. For the next few moments, let's slow down together and create a beautiful minimalist textured abstract painting using acrylic colors and palette knife techniques. This is more than a painting tutorial. It is a peaceful creative journey where texture speaks, colors breathe, and every movement of the palette knife becomes calm and meaningful. Whether you are painting for the first time or have painted for many years, this canvas welcomes you. There is nothing to prove, only something beautiful to create. Gather your canvas, your palette knives, your brushes, a mixing bowl, your acrylic colors, your texture medium. Now let us begin. The first touch is always special. Place your palette knife gently on the canvas. Do not rush. Allow the surface to welcome your first movement. Every masterpiece begins with one quiet touch. Every gentle movement leaves behind a memory. Every raised texture catches future light. Every small imperfection becomes part of the story. There is beauty in slow creation. The more patiently we work, the more naturally the artwork grows. Now we begin building heavier texture. Take your palette knife and spread the medium with confidence. Do not think about perfection. Think about rhythm. Some areas can be higher. Some can remain soft and quiet. This variation creates life within the painting. Nature never repeats itself. Mountains are different. Rocks are different. Tree bark is different. Yet together they create perfect harmony. Allow your texture to do the same. Now we begin cutting through the heavy texture. This is one of the most enjoyable moments of the entire process. The palette knife is no longer spreading. It is sculpting. Every gentle cut creates movement. Every carved line creates direction. Some cuts are long, some are short, some are deep, some only kiss the surface. Every mark catches light differently. Every groove creates beautiful shadows. As you continue carving, notice how the painting slowly develops its own personality. It begins speaking without words. Sometimes one confident cut is more powerful than many uncertain ones. Trust your instincts. Rotate the canvas. Observe from different angles. You will discover completely new compositions every time you look. Heavy texture is not about using more material. It is about creating depth, contrast, and emotion. Raised surfaces become illuminated. Deep grooves remain mysterious. Light and shadow begin their silent conversation. Continue exploring. Allow the palette knife to dance naturally across the surface. Now we allow the texture to dry. Many people think nothing happens during drying, but this quiet moment is full of invisible work. The texture becomes stronger. Moisture slowly disappears. The surface settles into its final form. Before introducing color, let us prepare our own texture medium. Many friends ask about this recipe. It is simple, affordable, and reliable. Begin with 2 parts white Portland cement. Add 1 part clean water. Mix slowly until you have a smooth slurry without lumps. Now add synthetic marine glue. Mix everything again patiently. Soon the mixture becomes creamy, smooth, and easy to spread. This consistency is ideal for creating beautiful textured abstract paintings. Preparing your own texture medium creates a deeper connection with your artwork. You are creating not only the painting, but also the very foundation beneath it. Now, our canvas is ready for color. We begin with black. Black creates depth. It creates mystery. It quietly defines the structure of the painting. Allow it to settle naturally into the grooves. Watch every shadow come alive. Now introduce burnt umber, one of my favorite colors. Burnt umber and black create a beautiful friendship. The warmth of the earth meets the mystery of darkness. Together, they create timeless elegance. Blend them softly. Allow them to meet naturally. Now fill the remaining spaces with dark brown. This color gently connects every transition. It brings warmth and harmony without overpowering the composition. Now comes the first white coat. White gently touches only the highest textures. Immediately, the landscape begins to appear. Highlights awaken. Details become visible. The painting starts breathing with light. Now return with black, only a few thoughtful touches. Enough to increase depth without losing simplicity. Less is often more. Now introduce turquoise blue. This beautiful color becomes the unexpected contrast. Fresh, bright, peaceful. Against the earthy tones, it shines beautifully. Apply it with restraint. Minimalism celebrates thoughtful decisions. Now add the second white coat. Allow the palette knife to glide gently over the raised texture. Every pass reveals another hidden detail. Now the third white coat, even softer, even lighter, the painting begins glowing naturally. Return once more with black, only where additional depth is needed. Then introduce a little more burnt umber to restore warmth and balance. Finally, apply soft gray. Gray quietly unites every color. It calms the contrasts. It adds elegance. It completes the composition. Now step back. Observe your artwork from a distance. Notice how the light travels across every ridge and groove. Notice how every layer has contributed to the final harmony. This is the beauty of minimalist textured abstract art. It is not about adding more. It is about revealing more with less. Every texture carries meaning. Every color has purpose. Every pause has value. Every gentle movement has become part of a peaceful creative journey. Thank you so much for spending this quiet artistic time with me. If this video inspired you, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your encouragement allows me to continue sharing these creative journeys with all of you. Before you leave, take one final look at your painting. Notice how much beauty has appeared from simple materials, patient hands, and quiet attention. Remember, every artist begins with a single touch. Every masterpiece begins with a single moment of courage. Keep creating. Keep exploring. Keep believing in your imagination. And let every texture remind you that the artist within you has always been there. Today, together, we have awakened that inner artist. Thank you for watching. I will see you again very soon with another peaceful creative journey. Until then, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep making beautiful art.